Today we're going to teach you the process of setting up your Disney MagicMobile account. So you're going to log in to your account and you're going to click on the Disney MagicMobile Pass Access. You're going to set up your pass and you're going to choose the people. You're going to select which pass you'd like. There are a number of choices you can choose from. And then you're going to confirm that that's the pass and add it to your Apple Wallet. The pass is going to take a little bit of time to add to your Apple Wallet, but once you click add, it will automatically get added to it. You're then going to be done. So just click that done button and you will see the pass in your Apple Wallet. Disney's going to give you some quick tips and suggestions on how to utilize the Disney MagicMobile Pass system. And that is pretty much it. So that's how to set up your Disney MagicMobile system. For more information about how to access this, visit us at themouseforless.com and you'll find all the information that you need.